Howdy everyone, this is Grant Biden with Uptown 101. This is my channel, Best Styles Apartments. So we're about to walk into the lobby of the Gabriella. Oh, thank you so much. To the lobby, and I just want you to show it off to see, so you can see it. It's a really, really pretty lobby. You can see it's just tall ceilings here. It's just really, really pretty, and the leasing office is here. Just a really, really nice lobby. It's a very high-end, lobby. So we're gonna got some spaces here to just kind of sit and chill. I see some dog treats over there. That's really, really nice. And this is just kind of how it looks. So you would come here and then take care of the leasing center, but then there's also the elevators. The elevators are on actually accessed more from there. You go here, you turn left, and you've got a special little enclosed area where the elevators are. So that's what the lobby looks like. Now let's go see some apartments. If you have questions at any time about anything you're seeing, send me a text. Just use the number below.